filling up the race car, baby.
The Yates car.
Look at that.
Good old 87.
Is that what you put in there?
Yep.
Put some flex fuel in that beast.
That's why I was like, put some E.
Not straight ethanol.
E85.
Yeah. That'll be fine. Diesel. Shit.
It's on the other side, I think. Well, you look at that. Look at that sweet thing. How'd you get your truck in there? We gotta get some fans, man. Look at this beater. This thing ain't even gonna make it the race. Hey, is your truck even gonna make the race? We are heading to the track, boys. We're about to race today. First place at $1,000. We gotta beat these other guys here. We gotta take out the truck. We can't let the truck finish.
Oh, we have to do is hit him in the side.
I know that bed is gonna fall apart on that thing. Man, we are so pumped, guys. This is gonna be a sweet ass race. I hope we don't lose in like the first lap. Just get up there, all this money, and just out of the race. I think it's gonna be a good day though. We're pumped. Looks like we're loading up. We're gonna get back on the road, guys. We will see you at the track. Peace. Oh, we're looking pretty good, man. I think as long as I can calm the nerves down a little bit, I think we'll do pretty well. So.
And if we don't run out of gas.
And if we don't run out of gas, that's what we're kind of worried about right now. But we are running the 05 Outback. Nathan, the other guy,
I think it's an 04 Outback.
Huh?
I thought it was an 04.
Is it a 4? It might be a 4 or 5. I'm not sure.
I think
actually.
it's a 4.
Nathan is running the Nissan, and Brandon is over here in the Burgundy car.
98 Legacy.
This Burgundy?
Yeah.
He was talking shit about us running an automatic, and look at that. Oh, what
caught on film.
Here. Nope, he's got 5-speed.
Proper 5-speed.
You guys see his custom, check out his custom race net.
Seems legit.
Seat belts. This bed though, this bed's in good shape.
This thing's coming
dude,
right the fuck off.
He is losing this during the race.
Let me get that slant in here just so they can tell.
Yeah, he is losing that during the race.
Give it a shake. That thing's coming right off.
It's bottoming out on this side.
That thing's bad.
I'll have to like tuck it up in the helmet.
Yeah, you use it as a face mask. See, you're protected.
He said that I could take out the
Yeah, burning time. Do it. Do it.
Oh, baby, we are heading to the lineup. Oh, I forgot I have to yell anymore. So, guys, we are heading to the lineup right now. We are in our first Enduro race. It is 100 laps. We are starting in 10th place. We're on the lineup. Right now we're in like 10th place. We're starting in a pretty good position. I am nervous as hell though, guys. This is intense. There are a lot of cars out on the track today. I forgot my neck brace. Things are about to start, guys. little drier, that's good. We're looking good. We're losing a lot of cars, guys. We might have this. I think Brandon lapped us, but I think we got back around him. I don't see Nathan. He did tap us a couple times, but I don't see him anywhere. Number 29 was the one that looked like it spun us out. He spun out too, so that's good. He's only like 4 spots ahead of us right now. Listen to, I want you guys watching to know we love you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be doing this right now. It is because we have the channel. It is because we have the subscribers. That's why we're out here doing this. We're having a blast. Today is a great day. I hope you guys are enjoying the video, because I sure as hell am enjoying this. Temp's looking good. Fuel still 3/4. I don't think the damage is too bad. We got hit hard a couple times. Somebody put us into the wall, but we're looking good. I think we're going to do good, guys. We're trying to avoid too much contact. Seems to be working so far. Looks like the car that hit us is smoking now, so maybe he won't last too much longer. We're just trying to stay safe and win this shit. Okay, guys, they just announced 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. I didn't catch the numbers. I don't think we're anywhere near the top. They said we're 20 laps in, though, to our 100-lap race. There are not a lot of cars left. Actually, most of the cars they're behind us right now. So we got to get on top of this. Looks like a lot of the other cars are already out. They're on the other side, somewhere on the other side. We got about 5, 6 cars in front of us and like 10 behind us. done.
She done? Woo! She done?
Yeah, it's done, man. It's out.
Dude, what happened? Engine blow or?
Ah, man, I went to come around Nathan. And I went to avoid that Cadillac, but I couldn't see there was another car wrecked right there.
Oh.
And I fucking slammed into it, man. We're just doing some filming for our YouTube channel.
Oh, that's okay.
Where's the camera guy? Get a shit video of that.
Oh, here he is. Is that Brandon?
And this one.
I won.
Huh?
I won.
No, Brandon's still out there.
Uh-oh, is he?
Huh? Yeah, he is. All right. What is going on, guys? So it is the next day. We were editing the video and we realized that we forgot to shoot you guys an outro. Our bad. You know, we left in a hurry. We ended up selling our car while we were up there at the track, so we didn't have to bring it back. Made things a little easier on the way back. Obviously, you guys saw that we didn't finish the race. Did about 60, 70 laps in. Ended up totaling the car out. So, yeah, we hurried up, packed everything up, headed home, got out of there. Just like we're about to do right now. We are out of here, guys. Thank you for watching, and peace.